Hey, peace, family. What's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. And today, I want to get into the topic of the new business credit. Let's get it.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?
All right, family. If it's your first time here, I talk about entrepreneurship, ways to make money online, and I just want to plant seeds with you and help you get started on your journey. That's all I'm here for. I'm not a mentor or a guru or anything like that, but I just want to help people get started. This information was beneficial to me, and I was searching for it, so I figured, why not share it with you? As I spent a lot of time and a lot of money, and I have a lot of learning experiences, and I'm still going through them to this day. But you know what? We about to get into it. The new business credit or business financing or business funding, it's kind of been around for, just a little bit, but I want to just shed some light on it, because I think that moving forward, this may be the avenue that you want to heavily pay attention to, and it's referring to fintechs. So you may say, what is fintech? So fintech pretty much is financial technology. Okay, so I say financial technology. Simply put, companies like a PayPal, companies like Stripe, companies like Square, companies like Cabbage. These are all digital online based technologies that help people with finances, whether they're helping you with payment processing or merchants, or whether they're actually providing business funding for you all. So let me go back. The more traditional way of actually getting business funding or financing is by setting up your business properly, with an EIN number, filing with the Secretary of State, having a business address, having a business email, having a business website, having a business phone number, listing your business online, such as places like Google and Bing, maybe even having a Facebook account, and then getting a business bank account, and then building up vendor accounts from places that report to the 3 business credit bureaus. At least the main 3 are Equifax, Business Experian, Business Equifax, and then Dun & Bradstreet. So you hear people talking about DMB number or a Paydex score, that referring to Dun & Bradstreet. Okay, there are other credit bureaus for the business, such as Credit Safe and things of that nature. But for me personally, Dun & Bradstreet, Business Experian, and Business Equifax have been the ones that really help you get to where you need to go. All right. But not everybody's familiar with that process and familiar with who reports and who does what. But for a more detailed, just step by step, go check out my build business credit video, and it shows it step by step, about 30-40 minute video. I even give you a free PDF. Okay, so I'm telling you right now, if you can go get the same information from different places, and it's going to cost you thousands of dollars, but I'm give it to you for free. All right. So with that being said, now we can get into the new age business credit, the fintech. So as I was saying, if you're what I always speak about is you're gonna need something to leverage when you get business funding. And the same way I talk about that from the personal individual standpoint, in order for you to get credit, you typically have to have a good credit profile, and that's all the business does. But on the flip side of that, if you're making money, you can get credit based off of your money, get based off your tax return, based off of your financial statement, based off of your net worth, based off of your assets. Maybe you got a couple houses, you can get equity lines of credit and things of that nature. And it's similar, it's a little different, but it's very similar when you're dealing with business. You need something to leverage. So if I have say my payment processor is Stripe, for instance, okay, and then from Stripe, I'm making transactions. I make a transaction. They say, man, this business is doing $10,000 a month, $5,000 a month, $20,000 a month, and they're doing it pretty consistently. How about we give them some finance, because we see the money that they're making, so that they probably figure it's not much of a risk, and that probably allows them to get more money from their processing fees and stuff if they help you get you money so you can scale your business. So those are things you want to pay attention to. You want to pay attention to your Cabbage. You want to pay attention to your Square. You want to pay attention to your PayPal. You want to pay attention to your Stripe, because you can get business financing as long as you have the ability to make sales. So your goal in this matrix, operating as a business entity, is to make money. Whether it be through fintech, but whether it be through the fiat currency, whatever system that we're operating in, that we deem as value, then and you got to get it. You got to get it if you're gonna play in this field. So understand that everything you operating with over here on this land, not on this land, but in this system, in this matrix, is really dealing with commerce. So that means, i.e., business. So you want to kind of understand that, but not to go off on that end. I just want to say, pay attention to fintech. And don't get lost in the word financial technology, fintech. Like I said, think payment processors, merchants, and other people providing digital and technological financing apps and programs and things of that nature. So if you're looking for an alternative method to business funding, if you don't have a business proper foundation established and it's hard for you to actually go out and get credit, well, maybe you want to consider getting a payment processor that can actually benefit you and give you some money so it can help you scale your business. That's all I have for you today. If you do have business credit and you kind of want to monitor your scores, as I was speaking about with the business Equifax, the business experience, and the business Dun & Bradstreet, then you want to monitor your business credit as well. So I'm affiliate of nav.com. So please go to nav.com if you choose so to get a free business credit report. And it'll allow you to put your business information in, and also it'll allow you to see if you have more than one business profile reporting. So that's also good to know, because if you have that can cause confusion as well. So make sure you only have your business reporting and you have all your everything matches on there, okay? And so with that being said, that's pretty much it. If you want to get me on the phone, family, I'm doing $30 consultations for 30 minutes. I put a link in the description below for that. But other than that, man, you're too smart to be broke. Be on the lookout for these fintechs. Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.